Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel CNC for TDM. Today in this video we are going to discuss section of solids. Topic is section of solids. So this is a solid block here and this is pictorial view of the solid block here given, and this is orthographic views. It is front view, and if you look from the top you will get this top view. So because we are looking from the top and making it this view at the bottom, so this is a first angle projection. It's clear to you. So and if you go to the details, if you see here, there is a hole in between the block. In this block there is a hole. These are hidden lines because hole is not visible, so hidden lines are there for the hole, and there is a slot at the bottom. This slot is there like this, and hidden lines are there of the slot. This is depth of the slot and this is width of the slot, like that. So there is a slot at the bottom side, and one hole is there, and this hole, if you look from the top, this hole is visible and it is not visible, so these are hidden lines. And if you are looking from the top, then there is a one line from this point through this point, this line is visible, this step is visible. There are two steps, red steps, these are visible. So this is a drawing of the block, and this is pictorial view, this is orthographic view. Now we are going to discuss sections. Okay, if you see here in this drawing, so we are making a section view here. This is section plane, cutting plane or section plane. This is a plane at the center of the block. This is a plane. So with this plane, if you cut this view like this, what you will get? You will get these two blocks. One is from left side and from right side. So both blocks are there like this, and it is a section here. These are section lines, hatching line are called, hatching section lines are there like this, and there is no section line in the hole. It is cut, this plane cuts this portion, so this is visible here, section lines are there. So these are two. In the pictorial view there are two halves, one half is this, other half is this. Okay, so if you look in the orthographic view here, this is orthographic view, this is your top view, this was your top view. In this top view, this is your section plane AA, section plane, this is your section plane, this section plane. If you cut it from here, what you will get here? You will get this type of shape. Hatching lines are there, section lines, and that slot at the bottom, this it is cut here. So this line now is visible after cutting it from this plane. So this line is visible, this step is visible. If you see here also, the step is there, one step is there like that. So it is visible like this, and this slot is there and this hole is there. So this is a concept. This is a section plane here, and this is your views, orthographic view, and this is your section view, sectional front view. Front view, because it is a full section, section plane is there, AA section plane. If you cut it, you will get this type of view here. Okay, so one more view is there. If you look here, this is a this is just like one figure is there. This is a pyramid shape is there, square pyramid. This is a square pyramid, And if you see at the top, views are like that. Basically this is your portion removed. Here it is shown portion is removed, and this is your section plane. This blue color plane is there, this is section plane, and this is a section here shown in the pictorial view. If you see in the orthographic view, this is your section here, and these are section lines like this, and this is your AA, it is your section plane here. If you cut it from this point, if you project this point here, you will get this type of square. This is the size here, and you will get this square because it is a square prism, so all lines are like this here, and this is your sectional top view. This is your sectional top view here, and this is your front view. From the front view, section plane is there, and if you cut it from this area here at this line, you will get this shape like this. Okay, so function of this is basically sometimes we have to show some internal details. Only with the help of section view you can show the internal details. One more thing is there. If you see here, there are many type of sections. This is your full section view. Full section, this is section plane AA. If you cut it from here, you will get full section like this, and hatching lines are there, and this is your block, and these are the steps shown here. So it's a very simple block. One step is there at the top here, this step, and this hole is there, and these are the section lines. So this is a case of full section here. Next, if you see half section, what is half section? In half section, this is B like this. So this is not a full section, this is half section. From this to this, and then here, this is the section line like this. Section plane line. Section plane is for half section. So half section means from the center line, this half is, you will get section view, how the section view is visible, and this half, so if section is not there, how the view will be visible. You get this picture of both types, with section and without section. From the center, if you see here, for this hole, this is a hidden line here, but here it is not a hidden, it is visible line. If you section it from this point up to this point, there will be a visible line like this, and because at this point there is no section, so this is a hidden line. And if you look here, you will get this line also like this up to this center, this, and this step is like this, and there will be no section line in this half. So this is half section. Half section is shown when we want to show both type of views, with section and without section. So then it is half section view we can show like this. Okay, and one here, if you see, this is local oblique partial section. So what is partial section or local section? This is a shaft, and this is your key in the shaft. So you want to show only this portion, section of with the section you want to show full view of the key. So there is a short break line like this. This is a short break line, and section lines are there, and this key is fully visible. So when you want to show some internal details, internal things, then partial section is useful. Partially you can section it and you can show like this. Okay. So next, if you see, This is revolved oblique rotated section. What is revolved and rotated? So there is a channel, this is a channel, and these are the short break lines. This is a channel, and I want to show this shape of the cross section of the channel. So revolved section means if you look at this front view or in this side view, if you want to see here, so this is section of the channel. Cross section of the channel is of this shape, I shape. I shape channel is there. So revolved oblique rotated section, you can show it like this. So this is the view of a revolved section. Okay. Then next is removed section. This is removed. Same channel is there, and we are showing this section lines here. CC full section line, and this section is removed like this, and we can show here this type of section here. It is shown like this. It is removed from this figure and it is shown here. So this type of section is called removed section. Okay. So one more section is there, offset section. What is this offset section? So it is different from full section and half section. What is offset section is when this section plane is not a straight line. Section plane is here, you cut it from up to this point, then this vertical line is there, and again second line is there. One, you just offset this line here, and then you make another straight line like this. That means this section is here, from this line to this here, and then here like this. So this is the offset section line like this. So what is the use of this? I want to show this detail of this hole and this hole also like this. So when section is through this hole, so this hole is visible like this, and section lines are there, and for this hole also it is visible here, and these are the section lines. So this type of section is offset section lines. It is also very important, this offset section. So these are types of sections: full section, half section, offset section, local partial section, removed section, and revolved section. These are the types of sections, and here it is clear to you in pictorial view also and in orthographic view also how to section it with a section plane. Section plane is there, and we have to section the part like this, and here also it is clear. This is your topic was section of solids, and how it is important. Sometimes we have to show internal details, and then we need sections. Engineers, what we do it, we just section it, and we can show different details of the part of the machines. Okay. So thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Soon see you in the next video. Thank you.